Oh my gosh, it's so hot. It's 100 degrees.
How about some rain?
I wish for, but there's no.
We can make it.
How?
And in a bottle.
Yay, rain!
Okay. Hi everybody. Today's experiment is rain in a bottle. Our three ingredients are water, oil, and food coloring.
And a stick.
We are actually playing around with something called density. When the food coloring... No. Density is just the amount of mass concentrated in some amount of space. For example, for water, 1 kilogram of mass is concentrated in 1 liter of volume. Oil is less than 1 kilogram per liter and therefore floats on top. However, the food coloring we will mix into the oil will sink down and mix in with the water. So, let's do it. But it's not simply density that makes water and oil separate. Oil is nonpolar and therefore has no poles, while water has a lot of poles. That's why, and because like dissolves like, and nonpolar is not like polar, polar stuff do not dissolve nonpolar stuff. So, let's start the rain in a bottle. First of all, you gotta put in a few drops of food coloring in the oil. 1. Now, you'll see it sinks because of its density. Okay.
That much will be fine.
1 more drop and that's it. Okay, now we need our stick and mix it.
Fast. Very, very fast.
Very, very fast, yes. Extremely fast!
But the experiment.
Also, you can try this at home. So just try it anytime you want.
This is Ethan and this is Ryan.
Okay, so now we've stirred the mixture. You see the food coloring and oil doesn't dissolve in each other? Food coloring is also polar. And like I said, like does not dissolve dislike, and so they don't dissolve, forming something called an emulsion. Now that we've created the cloud, we can pour it in, forming rain.
Are you ready?
In 3, 2, 1.
It's kind of like a frog egg. Frog egg.
Think cloud.
Cloud is like frog egg.
And now. Did you enjoy it? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like. And see you in our next few videos. Bye.
To the next video.
Bye.
구독, 좋아요.